How to add a voiceover in Adobe Captivate. 3 methods. Method 1. Record directly into Adobe Captivate. Your first option is to record narration directly into your project. To record your voiceover, select the slide you'd like narration to play over. The toolbar on the right has an option marked Audio. Click that. Choose the Import Audio drop-down menu on the audio panel. From this drop-down menu, click Record. This will bring up a Record Audio window. Before you can record, you need to set your microphone levels. To do that, click the 3 dots in the upper right. Click Audio Input Calibration. Start talking into the mic until you get the good pop-up, then click Done. Return to the Record Audio window, which features a red Start Recording button. When you're ready, click Start Recording and read your script into the mic. There's no need for a Save button. Once your recording is complete, the waveform will show on your project timeline. Method 2. Generate audio with Adobe Captivate Text-to-Speech, TTS. First, click the Audio button on your right ribbon menu. Select Import Audio. Choose the Generate Text-to-Speech option. Add the text you'd like read out loud as a caption on your slide. Place the caption in time by clicking on the timeline. Click the plus icon to add more captions. In the Closed Captions menu, choose the TTS voice you like. Click Generate Audio. Click Play to hear the captions read out loud.
How to evaluate online sources. What makes a source trustworthy?
Method 3. Import an audio file from your computer. For more control over your voiceover and a broader selection of lifelike AI voices, generate an audio file with ReadSpeaker SpeechMaker. This easy-to-use TTS production tool allows you to turn your script into top-quality synthetic speech in 3 quick steps. First, paste your script into the SpeechMaker text field. Adjust settings like voice, speed, and pitch to perfect the voiceover performance. Listen to your changes with the Preview button. How to evaluate online sources. What makes a source trustworthy? The source is considered free from bias. The information is backed up with evidence. The information is up to date and current. Sources are cited. Once you're happy with the voiceover, click Download Audio. Here's how you import audio files into Adobe Captivate. Just like the other options, start in the Audio section. Again, open the Import Audio drop-down menu. Select System, then find your narration audio file. Click the file to import it into your project timeline. From here, you can edit the audio within your project as noted previously.